How to change Roblox username. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to change Roblox username. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.roblox.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Roblox. Make sure you are signed in and now tap on the settings option on the top right of your screen and further tap on the settings option you see there. Now, in the account tab under account info, you will see display name, username, and other information as such. You can simply change your display name. However, to change your username, you will need 1000 points. So, if you have 1000 points on your account and you want to change your username, then tap on the edit button beside the username tab and further make the changes you want to in your username, and this is how you can change Roblox username. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.